Hello friends, this is Sunny Bhatia, your host for TeleOnline.in. Today we are going to study about a demo TDL training program which we conduct. This is a basic program that we carry out. Today we'll be discussing about the first TDL program. Like in every programming language, we have a hello program. So we will be making a hello program, and before that we'll be studying about the brief modules or components which TDL has, on which the TDL works. So let us start. Uh, First we need is a Tally developer. So I'm starting with a Tally developer. Side by side I'm starting Tally program also, so that you can see. Now each Tally, when we start Tally, this is called a menu. That are these are the component. This is a gateway of Tally. This is the base menu that Tally has, and these are the buttons. The side screen that we are seeing are all the buttons that are there, and on the top of it there are some buttons, and when I click on any of the screen, let us say I go to accounting voucher. So a voucher opens. Now you have a lot of buttons here. These are the button components. You have a form here which displays these are the lines, different lines which Tally is showing you, and these are the each component is a field which actually displays you the value of the field. Like this payment is a field, and number 7 is again a separate field. This date is a field, display in a Saturday is a field. So the basic components, these are the components of a Tally. uh, I repeat it again that we have a menu. This is a menu, and then we have buttons. After that we have each thing that opens is a report. Under report there is a form, and under form there are part, line and fields. So let us first write my first program. So this is a menu that has, so I create a one program. So I create it in a training folder. So I'm creating new folder training, and although I name it as hello TDL program. So hello TDL is my first text file which I'm going to create and Tally. Now the basic component of Tally is that it has a report. So we'll discuss the details later on, but the definition of report is you start with the square brackets, write a name report, and I name it as hello TDL report. And under report you have a form. This is a definition, then this is a attribute. So form is an attribute, and I again name it as hello TDL report. Now I am designing a form, hello TDL report. Now in a form there are parts. Parts are like sections of your report, different sections. So I again name it as hello TDL part. Now inside under the section there is a, you can have a line. So all the things I am putting in square brackets are basically definition. That means I am defining a report. Under report there is a parameter called hello TDL form. Now this form definition is defined here. Similarly the part definition is defined here. Now here I write it as hello TDL line. So similarly, I define a line, and inside a line there is a field. Now I define this field since this field is not existing in Tally. Now I set it as a value hello TDL. So this is the first program I have written. I have again repeated in a brief. We have a report definition. Under a report we have a form. Under a form we have parts, and under the part we have line. Under the line we have field, and my report is designed. Now to connect this report to Tally program, I need to modify my menu. So I will explain why I am writing this hash menu. But this is the main menu of Tally which I have earlier explained. So I go to hash gateway of Tally, add item. I write it as hello TDL program, and I write it as display the name of the report, that is hello TDL report. Now I have designed my program. Uh, so let us see how I can connect it in Tally. To connect the program in Tally, I have to go to features, sorry, configure, and form configuration. I go to product and features, and from here I go to manage TDL. There is already one program that is there, so I write here my path where I have designed my. So I write the name of the file. So there I made some mistake. Let me see what is the name of the file, because the file has to be accurate. Hello TDL. From here you can see that what is it? It is text file. So it is not a TDL file, it is a text file. So I am going to again correct it. So there is some problem at certain level. So let me copy the absolute path by going to the required folder so that no mistakes happen. So I go to training. So now here I paste the path and say hello tdl.txt. So there's the error coming that it is saying you cannot find gateway if Tally. So I have misspelled it. It should be gateway of Tally. Correct it, and again reload the same. Still there, not saved from my side. Now the TDL is loaded. So let us see what happens. Now I see there is one additional menu that is coming at the bottom, that is hello TDL, and when I run it, it is showing me hello TDL on the screen. When I press escape, it goes back. So I have created my first program, that is hello TDL program. Now I'll again repeat it. Go to the code. This is gateway of Tally. This is used for connecting your report to the interface. Then we have a report. Under a report we have a form. This is the definition of a form. Under a form we have a part, and under the part we have a line. Under line we have a field, and basically field is an interface value which gets a value. So this is the hierarchy on which the tally works. Each and every form that you see in tally is basically under this hierarchy only. This is our first TDL program. It was. I hope you have understood the concept. In case of any further inquiries, you can contact the following numbers displayed on the screen. Thank you.